wash, and then get your bowl, a spatula, and you're gonna get 2 quarts of half and half of Alliyah and 1 pint of whipping cream. English was this. This whole thing. I used half of it yesterday. Oh, yeah. Go for it. It's also called the motor drive. And then this is the latch. This is the cover. That goes over this part. This part is called the ice cream can. This is the wooden bucket. This is a plastic ring that keeps, I don't even know that it is, but camera feature that keeps it kind of like.
What's inside the bucket?
The plastic ring.
No, inside that bucket.
Oh. This is called the plastic sifter, something like that. And what it does is it helps aerate the ice cream so that when it's mixing, that crystals don't form in it. So it can be cream instead of ice. So.
Why, thank you.
You're welcome. So you get your bag of ice. Is that in? Mm-hmm. Oh well.
There you go.
You get your bag of ice and you crush it. And you get it and make sure it's all crushed, but not too crushed. And you pour it in the bucket around the thing.
And why'd you put the lid on it?
Because I don't want the ice inside of the ice cream can. I want the ice around the ice cream can so that there's just cream in the ice cream.
Very good, thank you.
Anytime.
How often do you do this demonstration?
When I feel the need.
Oh.
Like if I want a good grade or if I want ice cream and I'm too lazy to go to the store.
Is there going to be samples for the audience?
Yes.
Yay! I knew there was a reason I came.
And you pour it around the can about yay high. I don't know how long the yay is. It's not a scientific term. Or measure.
Do you pour it to the first rung?
No, ma'am. You pour it right here.
To the first rung.
To the first run. That's a yay high.
That's a yay high.
A yay high is the first run.
It's not scientifically acknowledged. It isn't even a measurement.
Well, it's pretty measurable in there, okay?
All good ice cream makers know what yay high is.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Well,
and then you're going to add the salt. And what the salt does is some really cool stuff.
Is that table salt?
No, it is ice cream salt.
Not pickling salt?
And it causes, no ma'am, that's in a blue box.
what's
green?
What does ice cream salt do?
Ice cream salt, it helps the ice, it causes freezing point depression, which is,
Causes freezing point what?
depression.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And
So does that mean it lowers the freezing temperature?
I think so.
Okay,
maybe.
depression.
This one is dissolved in another, and it has it lowers the freezing point.
Thank you.
So does it look like regular salt? What does it look like?
No, it's like this. It looks like rock candy, but it doesn't taste like it. See?
No, the camera was angled differently.
I can't help that.
Torri, I have to tell you, I like your recipe a lot better than my mother's recipe because we used to have to cook that one and then chill it and then put it in there.
Oh, the eggs. She wanted
Yes.
something quick.
Yes, because we had to put eggs in ours.
Wow. What is the egg? I'm sure it
Makes it
helps.
more custardy.
It's custardy. We had iced custard.
I don't have these ones.
You definitely have ice cream there.
Ice cream.
Yeah, that's pretty good stuff.
So once you add the ice and the salt, you're gonna add another layer of ice. Alright, so once you have another layer of ice, you're gonna add some more salt.
Hey, you know, Torri, you put away that hand crank
Yes.
back in the day.
Back in the day.
Back in the day
Back in the way back when.
when we made ice cream under the Oh, tree. We put a towel on top of it, and all the kids would sit on it while somebody else would crank it. Yeah. I could tell you something else now, but this is going to school. I'm not going to.
I can edit it out.
Oh.
And this is the part that you assign to your husband. This is the hardest part.
If you need assistance, she can stop it and I'll come over.
You can come over and help me edit.
We can edit? Oh my God. So you mean to tell me all this time I could have been saying things?
You couldn't make
Well, if you're going to edit out a vowel, then I'll tell you that when we were kids and we sat on that towel on that, that's when you got the real red.
Alright, so once you get your motor part on, and this part is going to turn the little paddle thing you saw this way, but it turns the barrel this way, and so it's like a so the other part this way, this part right here, it has the ice in it basically draws the heat out from the cream to the ice, so that the ice, from the cream to the ice, so that what's inside of the barrel can get frozen basically, and then with the constant spinning, it keeps from crystals forming. So you secure the latch, and then we're gonna move it over here by the sink so that it.
Hey, face the camera.
No. Sounds really bad. But we forgot to add more ice. So we're gonna go get more ice. We added more ice, about up to here. And we're gonna add more salt. And if you don't add enough salt and it's all sludge, it's not gonna help, because then what's outside the container will be warmer than what's inside the container. And that's not gonna do what you want it to do. So it's heat transfers from higher temperature to lower temperature. You're gonna want to draw that heat out from the canister into the ice, and that salt helps keep it from melting so fast. So you'll end up with more of a slush than just ice water. So that's how it looks, and you can see it spinning. And you can even see the salt with the ice. That's how that looks. So that'll take like 40-ish minutes of our ice cream. It's all creamy and stuff. Creamy stuff. It's very white. It's really good. Really got some on your dress. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Works better with me.